Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a fragrance.com haul. I'm going to be showing you some delicious new fragrances for the new year. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a new year, new chance to get some new perfume, I guess. And Valentine's Day is coming already. Before you know it, it will be Valentine's Day. And then my birthday, because my birthday's the day after. Put it in your calendar. Okay, shameless plug on my birthday. Anyway, but I've already seen Valentine's Day stuff in stores. It's crazy, and they are stuffing the next holiday down our throats, but I love it because everything is pink and red and full of love and hearts, and it just makes me so happy. I'm so excited for that time of year, and we're almost there. Before you know it, it's time to buy that gift. And one of those gifts that is just like the easiest thing to get is perfume. I love perfume for Valentine's Day. Perfume and cologne and all that stuff is just a great gift for Valentine's Day, because who doesn't like to set the mood with a good scent? And perfume is an important part of getting ready and feeling sexy and all that kind of stuff. So love perfume for this time of year. So I'm going to show you 3 fragrances that Fragrance Net sent me. So thank you to them for sponsoring this video. They sent me these perfumes and 1 cologne that is Antonio's. So I'll show you his first. So if you haven't heard of Fragrance Net, it is a website that has a ton of fragrances. They also have sets. So not only do they have like the fragrances alone, you can also get gift sets that come with like the body lotions and things like that. They have a ton of different products, and not only do they have fragrances, I believe they also have beauty products. They have 1,000 different products. So the cologne is called Eros, I believe, and it's by Versace. And I actually smelled this in Sephora, and I was like, ooh, that smells really good. Like, I want to get this for Antonio. The packaging is so beautiful. Has this really beautiful kind of Roman Greek kind of thing to it, which is, hello Eros, isn't that like a Greek god? Really cool with the Versace emblem, and then it also has it here on the cap. Such a pretty packaging. I love the blue and gold. It looks so royal. This is what the box looks like, and this is the 1.7 ounce bottle. So I'm gonna read you guys some of the notes and some of the info about this cologne, and then maybe Antonio can come and tell us how much he loves it. Huh? Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Did you just say yeah?
It smells great.
The details of this cologne say love, passion, beauty, and desire are the key concepts behind the new men's fragrance by Versace. Versace. As Greek mythology and classic sculpture has characterized Versace since the beginning, the perfection of the male body is evoked with an allusion to Eros, the god of love. Versace Eros is a fragrance for a strong, passionate man who is the master of himself. Eros interprets the sublime masculine through a luminous aura with an intense, vibrant, and glowing combination of fresh mint leaves, Italian lemon zest, and green apple. Intriguing and enveloping notes like tonka beans, arboxen, amber, geranium flower, and vanilla meld with a racy virility symbolized by woods such as cedar wood from Atlas and Virginia. Vetiver and oak moss provide intensity and power. Wow, that was a lot to take in. What do you think, babe? What is the first thing you smell?
My finger.
It's like kind of sweet, but it's very masculine.
It's sweet, but it's sweet, but it's masculine. Almost, I don't want to say woodsy, but it is kind of a woodsy smell.
Yeah, you can smell the woodsiness to it, but definitely like the vanilla.
But not like sandalwood woodsy.
I smell vanilla and I guess geranium and cedar wood, yeah, like more than anything.
It smells really good. It smells really good. So
it's a really like delicious smelling cologne. When I first smelled it, I was like, ooh, that smells nice. Like, I want Antonio to smell like that, and I really like it. Do you like it?
I really like it.
Yeah, because like some colognes can be very like one note, like either too chocolatey, too vanilla, or just like too strong. This one has a nice blend of like that woodsy smell, but also sweet and vanilla.
It's got a lot of layers to it.
I like it. I like it a lot. It smells really good.
Thank you.
You want to stay for the rest?
No.
Okay, bye. So the next 2 fragrances are for me, and they're perfumes. So we have Prada Candy, which is one of my favorites. Antonio actually bought me this twice, I think, and last year he bought it for me for Valentine's Day, and it came in like this really big pink box. It was so pretty. And they also had heart-shaped boxes, which I told him I wanted, but I guess he didn't get it in time. But this Valentine's Day, if you guys see it, it's a great gift. If anyone's watching and they want to get it for their significant other, Valentine's Day time comes, they have the Prada candy heart-shaped boxes. I would definitely recommend those. I think those would be the perfect Valentine's Day gift. So let's open it up. This is the original. Prada candy now has a few different ones, but the original will always have a special place in my heart. So this is what it looks like. Such a gorgeous, simple, to the point packaging. It sprays right through here, so you just mist, and the perfume comes right out through here. On the smaller ones, the cap comes off and then the nozzle is on the inside, but this is the regular size one, so it sprays just from here. A really, really cute, modern, kind of 60s mod gal kind of packaging. So clean, so pretty. Love this really gold bottle. You got that pink stripe, black here. It's just really, really beautiful, modern, but still classic. I love this perfume so much, guys. Let me spray some. It smells so good. So it definitely automatically has a very, like I said, it's called candy. It has an intensely sweet scent, but it's a grown-up sweet scent. So I don't know how to describe it. I'm really bad at describing stuff like that, but I'm going to look up the notes and stuff so I can kind of pinpoint what it is I'm smelling. Oh, it's so good. It has a very grown-up scent. The overall scent is warm and spicy, but it is sweet at the same time. So the key notes are white musk, benzoline, caramel. Prada candy is impossible to ignore. Its packaging is bold, unconventional, and pop yet luxurious. The bottle inspired by vintage falcons and bearing the refined Prada logo in sleek gold lettering. So again, I think it's the white musk that I'm smelling. I don't know if it has that much. I guess it does have a spiciness because that's what brings down this sweetness. So it is not overly sweet. I definitely am more of a sweet, warm, and spicy kind of fragrance person. I don't like fresh, soapy, floral scents. I like floral, but I like when it's sweet and warm again. So if you're somebody who likes like Flowerbomb and stuff like that, you would like this a lot. It's like that grown-up sweet scent that makes you feel powerful and passionate, and I really love it. And I find that this one has a very long-lasting scent to it. So at first you spray it, you do smell it, but I definitely feel that it lasts long, and when you're around people, they will smell you and they'll ask like what you're wearing. It smells so good. Okay, and then the next one is by Juicy Couture, and I have been looking at this perfume for so long, but I never got it because when I was in high school, Juicy Couture was all the rage, girl. Back in 2006, 7, like, you know, Juicy Couture was everything. And so I guess part of me is like, don't give in to high school. But the packaging is so nice. I was like, you know what? Let me ask for it because I actually heard that this perfume is amazing and the packaging is so cute. So this is Viva La Juicy Rosé, and you guys know I'm all about that rosé life. And the packaging is gorgeous. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful ombre packaging from gold to rose gold, and then it has a pink bow here with a little tassel. It's actually a little charm of a rosé bottle, and as you guys know, Juicy was really famous for their charm bracelets, so it's really cute that you get an actual charm on the bottle that you could take off and put on a bracelet. It is so pretty. This part here looks like a giant diamond, so gorgeous, and the whole cap comes off, and this is what it looks like, and you spray it right from here. Really simple, kind of girly packaging, but you get the beautiful juicy little emblem here, and then the whole packaging is this gorgeous rose gold and gold glitter, which you guys know I love. And the glitter is not like, you know, falling off glitter. It is very, very secure. It's not going to leave any glitter. It doesn't come off, but you can hear it's not soft either. It is textured. So pretty. Of course, the packaging of this is probably one of its biggest sell points. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, so I believe this is probably the biggest one, and it is gorgeous. The packaging, like I said, is its big sell point. If you're giving this to someone for a gift, obviously this is going to be someone who's glamorous, girly, and probably really young as well. I don't know if I would give this to like someone my age, although I really like it, so I guess it depends on the person. But if this, you know, if this is somebody who's like 15, they'll probably love this. The packaging is gorgeous, but the scent is a lot more grown up than I expected. So even though, like I said, the packaging seems like a young girl's packaging, the actual scent, I think, could transcend age. Like if I smelled this on an older woman, I wouldn't even think that it was juicy. It has a light sweet scent. So where Prada candy is very warm and deep and spicy, this one is a lot more light and kind of, I guess, slightly florally, but definitely sweet. So I want to read the notes for you guys so I can know if I'm making this up or if I'm actually smelling what I'm smelling. So the top notes are Italian mandarin, fresh pear, jasmine petals. The middle notes are rose, absolute, white peony, and jasmine. And then the last notes are Orris absolute, benzonian, and ambrose, which again are some of the similar notes that are in the Eros cologne. If you remember, the Orris absolute, no, the benzonian and the ambrox, I can't really pronounce it, but those two are also in the Eros. So it has that light sweetness, and again, like, it's a light sweetness because you have jasmine, you have the pear, and the mandarin, and those are like sweet scents but lightly sweet. They're not overpowering like vanilla, sandalwood, chocolate. You know, sometimes we say sweet, but there's different levels. So, you know, if you have like chili and chocolate, that's like warm and spicy and sweet and deep. But if you have like pear and jasmine, that's like, it's like a summery, light, airy kind of scent, if that makes sense. I'm trying to visualize it because sometimes it's easier with visuals to understand how something smells, since we don't have smell-o-vision yet. Imagine smell-o-vision. How weird would that be? I wonder how many people would get in trouble. Like, their whole cover would be blown, right? Like, you'd be like watching their video and you're like, ooh, girl didn't take a shower today. Gross. Anyway, so like I said, because it has like that light scent to it, it transcends. I feel like anyone of any age could wear this, honestly. It has a way more grown up, light, florally sweet, springy summer scent than I imagined. And I feel like it's a great scent to start off the new year. And like I said, the packaging doesn't really reflect the scent, because when I look at this packaging, I think like bold, fiery, girly, you know, glamorous, glamazon. And then I hear rosé and I'm thinking it's gonna be like a really powerful rosy scent, but actually it's really calm, sweet, light, and ageless, which is kind of cool because you get that really cool packaging, but the scent doesn't smell like a kid, which is a good thing. I'm not complaining. So those are all the fragrances. I will leave them in the description below for you guys. Check out FragranceNet. I will leave their info down below as well. They have a ton of beauty products on their website, not only fragrances. So fragrance.com has tens of thousands of beauty products that are 100% authentic and hugely discounted compared to retail price. So if you guys have ever Googled and you look at the search bar and it says like shopping, and you'll see like maybe Sephora or Ulta or other retailers will have a perfume for like $100, FragranceNet will usually have it for maybe like $50. Just like as a reference, a lot of times I've noticed that they have a really discounted price. It's a great place to find gifts because they have gift sets, like I mentioned, of all your favorite perfumes, and they usually have all the sizes, and they have a lot of details about the notes of the perfume, everything that you would find on any other website. They have all the details, and they always have a lot of reviews as well, so you can read like 100 reviews on the fragrance that you're purchasing. So it's a really reputable place to get fragrances. I have a few fragrances from them and I haven't been disappointed with any of them. They are perfect quality, perfect condition. They're brand new. They're just like buying from any other retailer. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you to fragrance.com, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to stay glam. Bye.